I've never seen such an awesome guy. Only use the materials in front of you. He actually made an auxiliary cutting artifact. It's just amazing. I saw that the small fire fixed the triangle iron, cutting with an angle grinder. Cut a section from above along the markers. Put a screw on both sides. 2 weld. Fix together. Simple handling of welding position. Prepare another steel pipe. Also machine cut. Cut the middle excess along the drawn markings. Process a gap. Make sure you can fit the triangle just right. And soldered along the edge to hold it in place. Create this effect. Then take out a few bearings and some nut gaskets. First screw in the nut on the screw. Put in the gasket. Sleeve bearing. Sandwich it in the middle. Fix them all on both sides of the screw. Bearings are made to this effect. Prepare another steel pipe. Punch holes in the middle with a tool. Pierce the upper surface. Adjust the position for welding. Fix the 2 steel pipes together. And insert a bolt into the hole. Secured by welding nuts. Then take out for triangles. Mark the 2 sides in turn. Fix to the front of the stage. Start cutting. Machine along the mark to cut off the excess at both ends. Guaranteed to be spliced end to end. Square frame. We weld them. Secure it. Simple grinding of lower welding position. A steel pipe is being welded in the middle. Then cut to sections of angle iron. Mark the surface. Fix to quick cutting by machine. Remove the excess. Machining outlet. Make sure you can put in the triangle. Remove 2 more screws and some bearings. Screw in the nuts separately. Insert gasket. Fix the bearing to the middle. Make this effect. And put the screws into the sides of the triangle iron by welding nuts. Fix it together with the triangle iron. After all are completed, welding small triangles on both sides. Forming branch, angle and place on the steel plate in a good position. Welding to the base. Fix together. Take out another steel pipe, also weld it to the base. And put in the made accessories. Assemble it all. A bolt is welded on both sides of the beam. The top is fixing one on both sides, steel pipes with bolts. Then connect a spring between the bolts. Tighten the nut and fix it. Make this effect. Go here. The hole cutting aid is done. It's very convenient to use. And the effect is also very good. I really have to admire this guy's exquisite craftsmanship. So how are you guys feeling? Share fun and creative ideas every day. See you next time.